what's up, y'all? This your boy. Thanks for watching the channel again. And today I got a freeform haircut for you guys. This, like I said, like I normally say, this is normally a straight up haircut. Shout out to my nephew D. D, what's up? What's happening with you out there? Anyways, this gonna be an easy haircut. I'm pretty much balding out the bottom on every side. I got one side done, just did the back. Now I'm doing the other side right here, and this is pretty much gonna be a half a haircut. I started off by balding out the bottom. Now I got the lever opened all the way, no guard. Then right below that, I closed the lever all the way, and so right now I'm doing the one guard opened all the way. Then I gradually close the lever, as you can see, and I faded right below that. So now I'm gonna grab my half guard, straight up, straight to the point, real simple, easy. Lever close right in between both areas. Now I got my 1.5 guard, and I'm fading right above where I did the one, and I'm just pretty much cleaning the area real good. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the back, okay? So y'all just bear with me a little bit, and I got you on this right here. So same thing, same steps I did on the side, I'm doing on the back, okay? All I'm doing is, well, I already did the no guard. Well, I'm doing a no guard. I already did the balled out on the bottom. No guard open all the way right now. And then right below that, I'm gonna close the lever. Then I'm gonna grab my one guard, open all the way, then close it gradually. Then my 1.5, get right up in them corners, and just try to make sure I get a pretty decent transition. Grab my liners, and then I'm drawing out my outline. Pretty simple, straight to the point, easy peasy. All you gotta do is take your time. And I do got this video on fast forward. I don't want you guys to think I moved that fast. But yeah, once I get the balled out on the bottom and the sides, pretty much get straight to it. So I normally do everything the same steps. Start at the middle, work my way over. Then I work on my vertical bars as soon as I get on the other side. Real simple. And of course I'm gonna bald at the bottom and grab some enhancements, and we're gonna go from there. I did lay a lot of enhancement on this haircut right here, just to get it real dark. Of course you want to get it dark enough to where you can see the difference. And anyways, if you guys like what you guys see, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching. Peace.